Some weird spot.
What? I'm in the middle of nowhere. Oh, it's his camping gear. Okay. That's better. Sorry, bye.
It's a barbell. 1, 2, 3, 4,000, 5,000.
Where am I? What? 4.
Put it up. Hey.
Where did you find them?
At the park.